Hello, my name is Miracle, and I'm a meditation teacher, a mindfulness coach, a yoga instructor, an artist, an alchemist, and an activist, but above all else, a human being. And this meditation is simply a thank you to all the essential workers and frontline workers out there doing unbelievable work right now to keep the rest of us safe and healthy and sane. So this is for you, again, healthcare workers, protective service workers, cashiers, production and food processing workers, janitors, maintenance workers, agricultural workers, truck drivers, delivery drivers, therapists, counselors, everybody showing up for work to take care of the rest of us. I cannot express to you enough how grateful I feel, and I know I'm not alone in this, that it may feel like we don't see you or appreciate you or even understand to the full extent what your day-to-day life is right now, and that's probably true, but I just want you to know that there's a lot of love and gratitude coming your way every day. And I wanted to do my part to say thank you and give you this meditation, this guided meditation, whether you're new to meditation or an old pro. This is just a safe space for you to take a moment for yourself. So if you're not already, please get into a comfortable seated position or lying down, whatever feels good to you. And just make sure that you feel supported. So a good chair or cushion, sitting up nice and tall, or lying down that you just feel held in whatever environment, whatever shape you're in, even if you're just sitting in your car and taking a few minutes. It all matters, I promise, and there's value in just taking these few minutes for yourself. If you haven't already, please close your eyes. Your palms are facing up and open to receive, to let go of some energy, just kind of keeping the flow going. And maybe roll out your neck, bringing your ear to one side, rolling across the chest to the other, back to center. And then bringing the opposite ear to the opposite shoulder, rolling forward to the other side. Maybe you even want to roll out your wrists or hike your shoulders up, whatever feels good into your body, giving yourself a little stretch and just adjusting whatever you need to so that you feel good and comfortable. So we can come together in this moment to just breathe and relax. Speaking of our breath, so much of meditation and mindfulness is about coming back to our breath, to paying attention to our own bodies, our own minds, our hearts. And all things considered, with every single thing going on in the world right now, I understand that just hearing the word breathe, hearing the word breath or inhale or exhale can feel potentially triggering or upsetting. And I just want you to know that I am treating this meditation and those words with the utmost love and respect. So I encourage you to take this moment to do the same. And just give yourself this space and this time to connect to yourself and your breath, knowing that by nourishing yourself, you will be able to show up better and freer and stronger, and maybe even a little more joyfully or more at peace as you go back to work, start the next day, come into your evening, whatever it is, that this is just your moment to reset. So here we go, all together. Take a deep inhale in through the nose, filling the belly up with air, the chest rises. And then exhaling out of the mouth, so your belly contracts and your chest falls. Again, palms facing up, eyes closed, breathing in. Exhaling out of the mouth, relaxing and releasing, letting go. One more like that, breathing in, calling in this new energy, this new space. And then exhaling, letting it go, arriving in stillness, arriving in presence. And once again, just landing in this moment, right now, right here. Just return to the rhythm of your natural breath. And a good rule of thumb when meditating is to not worry so much about controlling your thoughts or getting attached to your feelings or really worrying or getting distracted by outside noises or your body, sensations going on, any tightness you have. Just come back to your breath, come back to your body. And just breathe and keep letting all of it go. Knowing that whatever has come before this moment has already passed. And I'm sure no matter what happened, you've done the best that you can. You have showed up as fully as you can. And whatever's waiting for you will be there when the meditation is done. So there's nothing you can do about it now. So just release into that, trust into that, come back to your breath. And imagine yourself sitting on a beach, your favorite beach. Or maybe you're in the forest and near a lake or a river or a waterfall, whatever feels good to you, whatever you see. Just, I want you to imagine a big open space. It's the perfect weather and the perfect day, the perfect sky. You hear and feel nature. You feel safe. You feel healthy. You feel beautiful. Completely relaxed. Maybe you're sitting on the ground or a porch or your favorite hammock. And if any thoughts or sensations or feelings come up right now, don't fight them. Just let them come and let them go. Let them rise and let them fall, as if they were clouds passing by this beautiful, perfect sky of yours. Some are fluffy and thick, some are thin and long. Or maybe they're like balloons, different colors, different shapes. Either way, with every breath, you let them come in and you let them leave. And you just keep returning to yourself, your breath, and this peaceful, lovely space. So just take a few moments here to just relax and be. one more inhale here. And an exhale. Go ahead and place both hands on your heart, on your chest. And thank yourself for showing up here today. For making space to just relax and be. And know that this practice is available to you whenever you want it. Whether you return to this meditation specifically, another one, or just take a moment to close your eyes and connect. You can go to this peaceful, beautiful, loving place and take care of you. One more breath in and a breath out, relaxing your hands back down into your lap. And just know that I am not alone when I say thank you for taking care of us. Sending love, light, gratitude, and strength, and health your way now and always. Gently open your eyes whenever you're ready. And thank you so much once again.